Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Swellpro CDC01 is probably one of the most innovative gadgets I've come across this year. This is a deep dive into what makes this product stand out from the crowd. We'll explore its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover if this is the ultimate solution you've been searching for, and if it's worth adding to your collection. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Holikme 6-Pack Drill Brush Cleaning Kit. This kit is designed to make cleaning easier. It includes multiple brush heads for various surfaces, helping you tackle tough cleaning jobs efficiently. With 5 different brush shapes, it's perfect for cleaning bathtubs, grout, upholstery, and more. The nylon bristles ensure that it won't scratch surfaces. The extended reach attachment allows you to clean tight spaces. This is great for areas like stove grates and car crevices. The kit also includes a brush specifically for car wheels and tires. It's a multifunctional cleaning solution for your vehicle. The connecting rod is 1/4 inch in diameter, so please check your drill's size before purchasing. If it doesn't fit, contact customer service for a return. Remember, the cordless drill is not included. For optimal cleaning, it's recommended to use this kit with other cleaning products. This will help you achieve the best results possible. What we like. This cleaning brush set offers a variety of brush shapes for different cleaning needs. It also has an extended reach attachment to get into those hard-to-reach places. If you have a lot of different cleaning tasks, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The variety of brush sizes and shapes makes it easy to tackle everything from grout and tile to tubs, floors, and even kitchen surfaces. The extended long attachment is especially helpful for hard-to-reach areas without having to bend or kneel. The shafts are notched, so they fit into an impact driver just as well as a drill. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2 4K Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer. This is the DJI Pocket 2, a compact camera that fits right in your pocket. It's incredibly lightweight and offers a long battery life, perfect for capturing moments on the move. It turns on instantly, so you're always ready to record. The built-in 3-axis gimbal ensures your videos are incredibly smooth. It stabilizes the camera, even when you're moving, and helps you capture crisp photos. It's great for long exposures and low-light situations. It features a 1.7-inch sensor that captures images with 64MP photo and 4K video. The wide-angle lens gives your footage a cinematic look. You'll be amazed by the detail and clarity. With 4 built-in microphones, it captures sound from multiple directions. Features like audio zoom and soundtrack enhance the audio based on what the camera is focusing on. This ensures your videos sound as good as they look. Use the glamour effects to enhance your selfies. The wide-angle lens allows for more flexible capture and perfectly composed shots for social media. Share your best self with the world. The AI editor automatically combines your clips with transitions and music. It creates share-worthy content with ease. You can quickly edit and share your videos. What we like. This handheld gimbal stabilizer is pocket-sized, making it incredibly portable. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth video, and the high image quality delivers stunning results. If you are a vlogger or content creator who values portability and quality, it is a great choice. What people say. The drone is very easy to fly and the video quality is excellent. The drone is waterproof and can be used in rain or snow. The drone has a long flight time and can fly for up to 30 minutes on a single charge. Number 3. Holikme HS110D Drone with 1080p HD Camera. This drone features a 1080p HD camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens. You can capture amazing photos and videos, and share them easily. The app lets you expand your creativity. With altitude hold, you can focus on taking pictures without worrying about the drone's position. It will stay stable in the air, making it perfect for beginners to have a smooth flight experience. The headless mode makes it easier to control, especially when the drone is far away. It orients itself relative to you, and it also has 3D flip functions. Use the app for voice control, gesture control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control. You can take photos with a scissor gesture and record videos with a paper gesture. It comes with 2 modular batteries, providing up to 20 minutes of flight time. These batteries are easy to replace and safe to charge, ensuring more fun. What we like. This drone features a 1080p HD camera for capturing great aerial shots. It also has altitude hold and headless mode, making it easy to fly, especially for beginners. If you are a beginner looking to get into drone flying, it is a great option. What people say. The drone is very stable in the air. The waterproof feature is a great advantage. The drone's camera provides clear and high-quality images and videos. Number 2. PURITAN'S Pride Beat 12 1000 micrograms, 250 caplets. Are you looking for a boost? This supplement helps convert the food you eat into cellular energy. It provides the support you need to stay active and energized throughout the day. This vitamin B12 aids in the production of red blood cells. It also helps maintain healthy homocysteine levels, contributing to cardiovascular health. Take care of your heart with this essential supplement. This product helps maintain the health of your nervous system. It supports nerve cell regeneration and overall neural health. It's crucial for overall well-being, helping you feel your best. This vitamin B12 offers a timed release for steady nutrient delivery. This gradual release sustains cellular energy levels, providing consistent support all day. It's designed for your convenience. For over 50 years, Puritan's Pride has provided premium quality supplements. Embrace vitality and wellness at any age. With this product, you can feel your best and live boldly each day. What we like. This supplement supports energy metabolism, heart health, and the nervous system. If you are looking to support your overall health and well-being, it is a great choice. What people say. The drone is very stable in the air. The waterproof feature is a great advantage. The camera quality is excellent. Number 1. DJI FPV Combo, Goggles V2, 4K Drone. Experience the thrill of flight with the DJI FPV Goggles V2. The super-wide 150 degrees FOV provides an ultra-smooth, real-time view, making you feel like you're truly in the air. This drone complies with FAA remote ID rules. Check the compliance document for the user guide. You can also visit the FAA's website for drone registration and remote ID requirements. Capture stunning 4K 60 frames per second video at up to 120 megabits per second. This allows the drone to record crisp details, making your footage look as exhilarating as the flight itself. It integrates features like an auxiliary bottom light, smart return to home, and obstacle sensing. These features help ensure a safe flight, even at high speeds. Easily get the dynamic look of FPV footage with S mode. This hybrid flight mode combines the freedom of manual flying with the simplified controls of previous DJI drones. What we like. This drone offers an immersive flight experience with its FPV goggles and super-wide FOV. It also records in 4K 60 FPS and has advanced safety features. If you are looking for a thrilling and safe FPV flying experience, it is the one for you. What people say. The drone is very well built and the quality is excellent. The drone is easy to fly and the camera quality is great. The drone is waterproof. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.